Today I'm going to share with you how to cook T-bone steak in oven. It's a super easy dinner recipe so you can make a steak night at home. So the first thing you do is you prep the seasoned T-bone steak with some barbecue rub or dry rub that you like, and then you want to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then it's time to pan sear T-bone steak. So you do this in a medium hot pan on the stove, add a little olive oil to the pan, and just in a couple of minutes you just keep flipping the steak. It browns all over, and then it's time to pop the T-bone steak in oven. So finish the T-bone steak in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's important to use an internal read meat thermometer so you know when the steak is done cooking. You can cook it to whatever temperature you'd like. This one here was done to about medium rare to medium, and I absolutely love T-bone steak. This recipe is so good. It comes out, and this one steak, or actually we did 2 here, is good for 2 people. We had a little bit left over, but that's usually not an issue in my house. So look at these beautiful juicy chunks of T-bone steak. It's definitely a great, delicious cut of meat. Looks beautiful when serving, and we topped these ones with some sauteed mushrooms, but there are a variety of side dishes that would be great with T-bone steak. You can pick up some of those recipes at Sip Bite Go. I have so many delicious things. You could add a creamy peppercorn sauce, my jalapeno ranch dressing, or even a garlic herb compound butter would be great on top. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!